In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the maintenance box of your Epson WorkForce Pro WF 3820 printer. Maintenance box is at the back of the printer. So go to the back side and press this hook down and open this cover. Slide it out. That's our maintenance box. Its part number is T6715. Take your new maintenance box and slide it in. Then place it back. This cover will go here. Go to the printer display panel. On the main screen it will display the product number T6715. Click next. Installation is done. Click done. So you are ready to use your printer. So this way we can just replace the maintenance box of this printer. Thanks for watching.